She made this t-shirt that says, I heart Aaron.
Shawty, you bad, I'm in the shawty, you bad, I'm feeling ya. Start from covers, I double up. I get the money and run it up. Yo, bitch, she nasty, suck it up. Nigga, you broke, don't got no butt.
Alright, y'all, welcome back to a brand new video. And I mean, I haven't really done a very good intro for this video, but today I'm gonna be putting on my fog lights that are already on, but I got new spark plugs that I put on in this video. And if we go back here, there's a new bed. Man, look at that sunset. But yeah, and yeah, that's basically, this video is just a bunch of combined clips of the last 2 weeks, I'm pretty sure, of me working on my truck. So it's kind of a roller coaster of things going on, but try to focus and let me know what you guys else want to see me do to this truck. And I want to start making videos on sub boxes, so let me know if you want to see. Alright, y'all, here's some updates on the truck right now, what I'm doing. We got iridium spark plugs from Dragonfire Performance. They're 4 times high performance coyote plugs. They're iridium, so probably the best plugs you can probably buy. And then we got some Raxion. Hold on, chat. Oh yeah, look at those fog lights, son. They look amazing. Did I already scratch them up? Oh no, that's a plastic. Oh, thank the Lord. Them things look good. So we're going to take off the old ones and put on the new ones. So let's get into it. Alright, so now that we're back here, I'm in 0.5. But there is this Phillips screw to adjust this, blah, 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 whatever. Oh, wow. Wonder how long that's been like that. Dang, we got to get this freaking... I hate this valence thing. It's so ugly. I need to take it off. But this thing's so easy to take out. All you got to do is take this out and then pry it right here with a flathead or your fingers or whatever. I already made a video about it. Go check that out. But yeah, now it's time to get this out and put the new one in, and let's see what she looks like. Alright guys, so I got the fog lights in. You can't tell. That's what they look like. They look kind of tough. I like how they look. Now let me show you how bright they are. Oh, I got the hood open because I'm about to start on the spark plugs. It is literally 11 o'clock at night. I should be in bed right now because I have work in the morning, but it's whatever. That's how bright they are. Look how bright they are. Like, that's insane for fog lights. Like, you could tell it's just my fog lights if you look in the reflection. That's crazy. Alright, so when you're changing your spark plugs, there is gonna be... Hold on. Let me turn my flashlight on. Alright, so see those little bolts right there? This bolt right here? These are the bolts you want to take out first. And these are 8mm bolts. So you got what I want to do is just do one side at a time, and I'm just going to do one spark plug at a time and make sure I don't put the wrong spark plugs in. But yeah, and then I will take these out and then I will show you guys what they look like. So I don't know if you guys have ever smelled E85, but yeah, this just smells exactly like E85 ignition coils. It smells like burnt E85. Ooh, that doesn't look very good. Why is it burnt? Yeah, but this is what ignition coils look like. They're Densos. So they're aftermarket. They're not stock ignition coils, which is cool. But I am upgrading to Dragonfires soon, but they're also $300 for the ones that I want. But yeah. That's freaking door over there, bro. It's so windy outside. It's cold, but yeah. I'm going to get the spark plug out now. And you need a 5/8 impact socket or, spark plug socket. But yeah, I'm going to get those out and then I'll show you guys here in a bit. Alright, y'all. Here's the spark plugs. Come on, focus, you idiot. Come on, man, focus. Alright, well, it doesn't want to focus, but there's the spark plugs. And yeah, they smell like E85. So now I know that these are Ford Motor Company ones. They're probably stock, just stock base spark plugs. But yeah, now it's time to put the Dragonfire ones in, and let me show you what they look like out of the box. So these are what the Dragonfire ones look like out of the box. And yeah, they don't look very much. Oh, they got the Dragonfire logo. Heck yeah. But yeah, let's put these bad girls in and let's get going because it is late. It is 11:36 right now. All right, so as you guys can see, I broke a bolt, and yeah, now it's time to do the other 4 on this side. So I did these 4 right here last night, and then now it's time to work on these 4 because it was like 12 o'clock when I was working on them. I was getting tired and I broke it, so that's why I'm done. So I just took out all 4 bolts besides that last one, and then we're gonna put the last 4 spark plugs in. All right, y'all, it is, what is it, 7:30 at night. I've drove 4 hours. I just picked up a brand new bed. I'm sure I'll show you guys when I get home or in the morning, but I just got back on the road and I got another 3 hours and 40 minutes left on my way back home. I made a short that'll probably be inserted in this video somewhere of me driving there. I completely forgot I was making a video, honestly, but it was a 2013 F-150 bed. It's blue though, so before I can put it on, I gotta paint it or get it painted, and then also we gotta order some fender flares, or first we gotta fix that because it has fender flares on it, and I don't know. My other truck had the fender flares and I liked it, but now that this truck doesn't have fender flares, I'm like, I like it more without fender flares. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments what we should do, fender flares or no fender flares. But yeah, I'm on my way home. I'm literally just left Springfield, Missouri. Got about a 4-hour drive. So yeah, I will see you guys when I get back home. All right, y'all. So we are home. As you can see, look what freaking time it is. It's 11:28 at night. Sorry, the fans are going. She did a great job on our way home, by the way. Great job on our way home. Like, insanely good job. We only had to fill up twice, and I probably stopped 6 times. But here's the bed. Here's like an actual video of it. Blue paint. The paint's like immaculate. I hate this sticker, so whenever we do paint it, that sticker's coming off. It's just a little dirty. There's a bunch of random shit in here too. Like, just a bunch of random shit. I don't even know what the fuck half of it is. Yeah, but got all the straps. She stayed strapped down. She wet though. Like, look at that color. Man. It's all purpley and glittery. Yeah, she's clean though. Now it's time to get my ass to bed because I am tired as a month. And like, underneath wise, it's not bad. It's not as bad as the other one. Like, it's not bad. Them bitches are almost gone. I'll be honest. Yeah, so I'm gonna get my ass to bed because I'm fucking tired. So yeah, I will see you guys whenever we do something with this tomorrow. All right, let's get a cold start on our old girl. Even though it's been 10 hours max since she's last been running. Ow. I hit a tree. She sounds so good. Woo! But yeah, here's a bed in the daylight. It looks way better in the daylight. I thought for $500, I thought it was gonna be a scam, honestly. But it looks really good now that I see it in the daylight. Dang, bro, she sounds so good. All right, guys, I'll see you when we're doing something. All right, so right now I just got done taking off this stupid badge, whatever the fuck this is. Some stupid badge that's going in the trash. Now all I gotta do is get this tailgate out. We're gonna sell it because I don't need it. I got the tailgate right here. This is the one I'm gonna use and put it on, but not right now, obviously, because I'm talking to the guy right now to paint this. He hasn't given me a quote yet. He's gonna give me a quote soon, but whenever I do take the paint, that tailgate's gonna go on this. And then yeah, right now I'm just cleaning everything up. I'm gonna start taking all these decals off. Yeah, and just cleaning everything up. I gotta take these off for paint, and yeah, we'll be good. So yeah, I'll get back with you. All right, y'all, I know this video's been taking a while. Sorry, it's literally it was just 10 degrees out yesterday. So my buddy that's painting, the guy that I have that is painting my bed that I took to, last, or maybe a week and a half ago. It's been way too cold to do anything. Well, he's just taking it slow because of how cold it is. So he has a heated shop and everything. He just wants to take it slow just because of how cold it is. You want to make sure everything's perfect. I'm okay with that. We might not be able to put it the bed on in this video, hopefully, but I have Starlights coming. They come tomorrow. So right now what we're doing is taking the headliner out. So maybe I'll do a video about this. I don't know. It's up to you guys. What do you want to see? But I'm probably going to do a video on how to take your headliner out. So let's get right into it. All right, guys. Welcome back to the video. Yeah, so now the headliner's out. Well, it's not out yet. I still got to disconnect a bunch of stuff. But I make a video how to do this. So if you want to know how to do it, make sure you watch the video. So yeah, let's get back to doing this bull crap. All right, y'all, look at this. Boom. No headliner. Now, time to start doing the stars. Has the headliner sitting right there. God dang. All right, y'all. I just got done wire brushing for the last 2 hours by myself. Wire brushing. The battery finally died. Oh, we got a speaker rack right there. Getting ready to be wrapped in suede too. So yeah, I think I got this pretty much all the way done. So now I gotta run to Walmart, get some spray adhesive, and then yeah, I'm gonna clean up this freaking mess. All right, so now we are taking all the headliner out, the old headliner with the wire brush right there. So yeah. All right, y'all. Starting to work on my Starlights. As you can see, I'm just doing one section at a time right now, and there's 215 stars per section. And this shit's gonna take forever because I'm doing it by myself right now. So I'll let you guys know when I'm done and show you guys what it looks like. Damn, that bitch sound good. Alright, y'all, I got all the stars done. As you can see, all the stars are done. Yeah. That actually is gonna look so good up in the roof. But yeah, this thing's gonna look sick when it's done. The reason why I left a bunch of wires hanging out, obviously this is not gonna look like what it's in the truck, but when I put it in the truck, I'll snip everything flush. I have already on a couple spots, no, that's just a hole. On this, this spot right here, this spot's cut flush, looks good, and you can't even tell that it's even there. But yeah, it's gonna look so good when it's done. So I'm gonna go get a video of it on real quick. I'm gonna plug it in my mom's car, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. All right, y'all. So I'm ending the video off here. It's been so cold. I don't know if you guys heard about. Oh well, all the lights went out. But I got my stars done. The stars are in. That's what they look like. Let me turn it around. There's all the stars in, but I'm painting all the plastics right now. I'm wrapping the visors in suede right now as well, but I'll show those in the next video of everything put together in the daytime. But yeah, here's the stars. They're all done. Everything's put on. I bought new tires. They're 35-inch Ridge Grapplers, which are going on my wheels that I bought that I showed you in this video, I think. But the bed hasn't even started getting painted yet. The guy I brought it to doesn't have a heated shop. He's working on that still. I got visors, or I got rain guards, the low profile ones. Those are also getting painted whenever it warms up. But yeah, stay tuned. The next video hopefully is with a lift or a leveling kit with those new tires and wheels being put on and my new bed. Hopefully that's in the next video. But if not, it's whatever. Just stay tuned. I'll be uploading a lot more. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and stay tuned for other ones. I'll see you guys in the next one.